Hey, thanks for joining. So I'm gonna show you now how we're gonna install the CA server.
Let us prepare you to own, protect, and master your network. Net Prepare.
So after installing the Active Directory, again we specify Active Directory authority server. Next. Let's do just that. We could update those afterwards. Also, I would like to add, this is not the ultimate way of deploying your domain. Usually it's better to separate those services, but like this is just an app, so. Yeah, this is gonna be the certificate authority. We could add more features afterwards. So Standalone Enterprise. So we're gonna make it Enterprise. And definitely not this long name. Alright guys, so we installed everything we need for the certificate authority. And I'm going to stop this one even if it's short. The next video will connect ClearPass to the AD. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. That will be really helpful. Thank you.
Let us prepare you to own, protect, and master your network. Net Prepare.